It is finally happening, guys. The other night, the render images of upcoming Galaxy S22 were leaked, and yesterday morning, the renders of Galaxy S22 Plus were released. Leakster on Leaks has collaborated with ZuotonUS to reveal the design. But there are some concerns about the design. It might not be the ultimate design, but now we know which direction Samsung has decided to go in. Just like Apple, Samsung is taking a pre-made design with minor tweaks around the whole chassis. The device features a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display, but more on that in a bit. We have a slightly revamped back camera rig with triple camera setup like we saw in the Galaxy S21, with the metal frame flowing on the side and emerging with the camera housing. There appears to be a loudspeaker at the bottom, and the power and volume buttons are on the right side of the phone. The phone seems to have a metal body. Samsung's upcoming high-end smartphone is expected to come equipped with the Exynos 2200 processor and Snapdragon 898 in some markets. The camera setup features is a 50-megapixel plus 12-megapixel plus 10-megapixel triple camera setup, stereo speakers, an in-display fingerprint reader, an IP68 rating, a 3,700 mAh battery, 25-watt fast charging, and QI wireless charging. Of course, the phone will have 5G connectivity, and it could debut in January 2022 with Android 12 on board. The current tip on the battery size is a bit of a concern. Even Samsung has been optimizing their devices for better battery performance, but the rumored chips that will be powering the device are power-hungry. It looks like from the renders that Samsung will go with the punch-hole camera design, which is smaller than the mid-range devices, but it can bother some people. On the other hand, the in-display selfie shooter, which was supposed to be featured in the S22 according to previous tips, is not going to be in the up-and-coming device. But maybe we can expect that to come in the future generations of Samsung devices. The technology is still in the development phase, and it does compromise the camera quality. We do not know the exact thickness of the device, but it does look bulkier than the S21 Plus, and if that's the case, maybe we'll see a much bigger battery in the final product, which is always better than having a slim phone with even slimmer battery. Keep in mind that we're still quite a bit away from the Galaxy S22 series launch. Hardware plans do get locked down by this time, but if Apple Watch 7 saga taught us anything, it's that the leaks can be wrong, and you should always take them with a pinch of salt. Nothing is official until it is official. Though OnLeaks has an impeccable track record, so we're inclined to believe these renders are the real deal. In any case, we're excited to see what Samsung has in store for us with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, after a successful flagship and foldable release. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a like if you want to watch more videos like this. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next one.